Good morning, students. Yesterday, Economics, Unit 3, Food Security and Nutrition. Some points I took. Today, the continuation of the food security and nutrition. Listen here carefully, students. Public distribution system. PDS. PDS means public distribution system. Public distribution system followed by Tamil Nadu government, and also it is Tamil Nadu adopted universal PDS, universal public distribution system. All the ration card holders entitled the PDS system, public distribution system. All the ration card holders in Tamil Nadu entitled the PDS system. Both union government and state government join together and provide ration card to all the people. The ration card holders, the government, both central government and the state government, provided a subsidy rate to the goods and services, to the people, all the people. In 2013, National Food Security Act was passed. National Food Security Act was passed in 2013. According to the National Food Security Act, 50% of the urban cardholders and 75% rural cardholders were utilized these ration card goods and services. Not nation, through the cooperative sector they get all the goods and services. In Tamil Nadu, rice were free of cost to provide all the people. Many people can get rice free of cost in Tamil Nadu government. Note purchasing power. The purchasing power is differ. The value of currency is sometimes the value of currency is high, and sometimes the value of currency is low. The value is decreased and increased. The amount of goods and services varies. According to the state to state, it differs. Goods and services. For example, I am going to small curve I am going to draw on the board. Listen here carefully, students. This is demand curve. First I am going to draw the demand curve. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all kgs. 1 kg, 2 kgs, 3 kgs, 4 kgs, 5 kgs. This one 3, 4, 5. This is 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 30 rupees, 40 rupees and 50 rupees. For example, the purchasing power is a differ. Already told you. The people get goods and services according to the demand. If the India's population is very high, the demand is increased. So when listen here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. When the demand increases, the price decreases. When, for example, the potato cost is 50 rupees means all the consumers can get only 1 kg because our cost is very high. Cost is very high. If the potato cost is 50 means all the consumers can get only 1 kg of the potato because our cost is very high. When the cost is 40, at that time the consumers get 2 kgs. And when the cost is 30, the consumers can get 3 kgs. 3 kgs. When the cost is 20, consumers can get 4 kgs. When the cost is 10 rupees of 1 kg potato, they can get 5 kg they can get. 1 kg rupees 10 means they can get 5 kg. 5 kg. When the cost is very high, at that time they can get only 1 kg. When the cost is 50, at that time the consumers can get only 1 kg of potato. When the cost is very low, 10 rupees, when the cost is came to 10, at that time the consumers can get 5 kg. This is known as demand curve. Demand curve. If the price increases, demand decreases. If the price decreases, demand increases. That is the demand curve. Note it. And same that another one curve like that 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. 40 and 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, 4 kg, 5 kg. Yes. When the supply increases, demand decreases. Demand also increases. The supply increases, demand also increases. When the supply 50, at the time demand also 5 kgs. When the supply 40 rupees, at that time the demand 4 kgs. When the supply 30, the demand 3 kg. When the supply 20 rupees, at that time they can get 2 kgs. And when the rupees 10, at that time they can get supply 10, they can get only 1 kg. This is known as the supply curve. Note it. This is the difference of the demand curve and supply curve. Note it, boys and girls. Listen here now. Purchasing power. Purchasing power is differ according to the value of currency. If the price increases, the value of currency is decreases. When the amount of the goods and services increases, the purchasing power also decreases. Note it. Factors affecting purchasing power. Listen here now, students. Overpopulation. India is one of the vast area and highly populated area. The population is very high in our country. So, the population is very high now. So, the increasing demand, all the needed basic needs, food needed. So, demand is increases. According to the population, each and everyone needed for food. So, increasing demand. Demand is increasing. Because of population are very high. So, supply is very less in our country because of our farmers involved in agriculture, natural calamities and any other disaster if comes means all the crops can destroy. The irrigation facilities is not available means the production is very less in our country. So supply is very less in our country. So if the supply is very less, price level is increased. The demand also increases, but price level increases because of all the people necessary for food. So demand increases. So supply is decreases. When the supply decreases, the price level increases. So it affects the totally rural population area. Village areas were affected. So the overpopulation, the purchasing power decreases in particular in the rural areas. The purchasing power decreases, affecting the purchasing power. Understood, student? Next one, increasing prices of essential goods. The each and every goods and services, Because of population were very high, the goods and services prices were increases in our country. All the goods and services prices were increased. Essential goods, particularly food, other things, essential things, where prices were increases. So when the prices increases, the purchasing power decreases. The poor people affected a lot during that time because of the poor people unable to get all the goods and services because of they are not having money. So the poor people affects below poverty line peoples, particularly the below poverty line people affects, particularly the rural area people were affected. If the increasing the prices, the essential goods, the purchasing power also affected, decreases like that. Note it. Demand for goods. The demand for goods. Some goods and services were demand were increases. For example, basic food needed, rice is needed all the people. So in South India, rice is the staple food. So the rice is necessary for all the people. So people can get the rice. All the people can get rice in our state. So demand for goods were increases. When the demand for the goods increases, the price were increases. So purchasing power also decreases. Note it. Purchasing power decreases. When the demand of the goods increases, for example, the production were very less means the farmers involved in agriculture, after harvesting, the goods and services goes to market. At that time, if the production increases means the purchasing power increases. Here, factors affecting the purchase power, no. So the purchasing power is decreases because of demand for goods and low productivity. Times not able to get all the goods and services. The purchasing power decreases. Particularly, the below poverty line peoples affected in this demand for goods noted. Not able to get all the goods and services. Prices of goods affect the value of currency. The prices of goods affected because of, for example, in our country, the not able to climatic condition is varies. Some places having the moderate type of climate, some places the high rainfall area, and some places where the low rainfall area. So the high rainfall area, more and more goods and services are produced. But low rainfall area, but like desert areas, not able to produce more and more goods and services. So prices of goods affect the value of currency. When the prices of goods are affected, the value of currency also affected because of when the price increases, the value of currency also decreases. Noted. Value of currency decreases. So the poor people are unable to get up all the goods and services. When the prices increase, goods affected the value of currency. The natural calamities and other low rainfall and desert areas not able to produce more and more goods and services. At that time, the price were increases. When the price increases, the value of currency also decreases. Noted. Fifth point, production and supply of goods. When the production were decreased, the supply of goods were decreased also. The supply of goods decreases, production also decreases, the supply of goods also decreases. So, when the production increases, supply of goods increases. When the production decreases, the supply of goods also decreases. So, the price level increases. All the goods and services price were in high rate of cost. All the goods and services. So, the purchasing power were affected. All the people are unable to get all the goods and services because of production and supply of goods were very less. Noted. Next, poverty and inequality. India is one of the developing country. The economy was very lower in a position. It is one of the developing country. No, the economically we are backward in a position. So there are some people, very less people only rich in our country. Very less people only rich in our country, and all other peoples were living in below poverty line. But these people are very poor people. So particularly the urban area, some people are very rich, very less people only rich. They can get all the goods and services. The sufficient goods and services they can get, but the poor people are not able to get all the goods and services. Poverty, below poverty line, because of below poverty line. The rich people were rich and poor people were poor. The rich people can get all the goods and services, but poor people are unable to get all the goods and services. Unequal distribution of the wealth, noted. Unequal distribution of the wealth. Some monies were dumped in some places, and all other places there is no money. The money value also decreases during the time, noted. Students, now I am going to recall. Now listen here. Public distribution system. According to the PDS, universal PDS. Entitled the universal PDS, all the ration card holders entitled in Tamil Nadu PDS system, public distribution system. So according to the public distribution system, all the goods and services were given to all the ration card holders. The union and state government joined together, and universal PDS were established in our country, noted. And the rice were the free of cost in Tamil Nadu. Rice was the free of cost in Tamil Nadu. During the 2013 National Food Security Act was passed. According to the National Food Security Act, 50% of the urban population and 75% of the rural population were benefited in this National Food Security Act. According to the National Food Security Act. Yes, noted. Purchasing power. The purchasing power is differ. The value of currency also differ, and state to state it is differ. The amount of goods and services also differ. Noted. If the amount of goods and services increases, the purchasing power decreases. When the amount of goods and services decreases, the purchasing power increases, noted. The value of currency also very less. If the prices were very high, the value of currency is low. And when the goods and services price is very less, the value of currency is high, noted. Factors affecting the purchasing power. Overpopulation. India is one of the populated country. The more and more population, so each and everyone needed increasing the demand of the goods and services. The supply is very less in our country because of climatic condition and rainfall and irrigation facilities. These not able to produce more and more goods and services. So supply is very less. The price level automatically increases. When the supply is decreases, price level increases, particularly affected the rural population area. Note it. Next, increasing the prices of essential goods. When the prices were increased, the purchasing power were decreased. Poor people only affected in this system. Increase the essential goods are necessary for all the people. The prices were increased, the purchasing power decreases. Factors affecting during that time. Particularly the below poverty line people are affected. Rural area, particularly rural area people were affected. Demand for goods. The purchasing power decreases. When the price increases, the purchasing power decreases. At that time, the demand for goods were, when the demand for goods increases, the price level automatically increases. So, purchasing power were affected in our country, noted. Prices of goods affect the value of currency. Yes, when the prices of goods increases, the value of currency also decreases. Because of some goods and services prices are very high, some goods and services prices are very low. The low goods and services can get all the people, but high rate of the goods and services unable to get the poor people. So value of currency, when the prices were increased, hike in a position, at that time the currency, value of currency is decreases, noted. production and supply of goods. The India is a very vast area, the populated country, population is very high. So production also declined in our country, very less. Production also very less in our country. So the price level automatically increases. When the price level increases, the purchasing power affects. Purchasing power affects noted. Poverty and inequality. In India, it is one of the developing economy, not highly developed and developed country. India is one of the developing country. So the economically is backward in a position. All the people living, standard of living is very low. Our per capita income also very low. So rich, poor, there are two categories is there. One is the rich people, another one is the poor people. Rich people can get all the goods and services, but rich people are very less in our country. So poor people is living in below poverty line. Their standard of living is very low. So poor people are unable to get all the goods and services. So the poverty, inequality among the rich and poor. Inequality is there. Some people can get all the goods and they were living in luxurious life. But some poor people are unable to get all the goods and they are living in below poverty line. Noted. Unequal distribution of wealth noted in our country. Unequal distribution of wealth noted. Okay then, see you tomorrow.